where you have to divide an expression given, and a trinomial, there are three parts in this question. The three parts are there and we have to divide by three numbers. So we did yesterday that whenever we divide, each term is multiplied. So first let us write plus 3a plus 2 will divide minus 8a4 plus 16a cube. So first you will see the explanation here, and whatever doubt you have you can type below, and in between I think all of you can hear me. If you can hear me, type yes, and then I will take your doubts on live Zoom class. So first understand all the questions which you have, I will answer them. So minus 2a square is dividing this number. So as I told you yesterday, 8a4 will be divided by this. So you have to divide that in your mind, otherwise this is the way you do it. So first number will divide. So I want to divide the first number by this. So when you divide, what do you get? 2 will divide, it is giving you 4. And then a square will divide, it will give you, answer is, and this minus and minus will divide, answer is 4a square. So check that this division you know. 4 minus 2, 4a square. This 4a square we will write here. Okay, so now 2a square will divide, so it will become 4a square. The answer which came I have written here. Now when you will multiply, it will give you the same number, 8a. So the first number is very important. We have to get the same number in both terms. So to get this minus 8, I have checked what will I divide. When I divide, it will give you 4. This 4 you will write here, and then 4 and 2 will multiply and the same number will come. If you get the first number correct, now 2 has multiplied 4, now 3 will multiply 4. So 3 into 4 is 12, and a square and a will become 3, 4, 12, a cube. Check the multiplication, 3 4 the 12, and a into a square is a cube. Then 2 will multiply 2 into 4, 8. So it will become 8a square. Okay, 2 into 4, 8. Now subtract. So we did that when we subtract, we change the sign. So the new sign will become plus, this will become minus, this will become minus. Now 8 and this will subtract. 16 and 12, plus 16 and minus 12 will become plus 4. So it will become plus 4a cube. Then the next term was minus a, which is not same. So when you cannot subtract, we will copy the number in descending order. That means I will write 8a square. 16a cube and 12a cube are like terms. So they subtract. Since they subtract, because this is plus 16 and minus, the new sign is seen. So plus 16 and minus will become 4. Now a and 8a square cannot subtract. So, and 2 also cannot. So therefore, what we will do? I will write the numbers in descending order. Descending order means I will write first minus 8a square, then minus a, and then 2. When you don't subtract, then we copy down the terms like I have copied. Okay, so the first term is important. See, what did I tell you in the previous part of this video? How do you get 4a square? Now I will divide this term with again 2a square. So when you divide 4a cube, let's see what do you get when you divide. Now 4a cube it is plus sign divided by minus 2, because I want to see what should I write at the top. So 4a cube, when you divide, what do you get? There is minus sign, this is plus sign, so it will be minus 2. A cube by a square will become a. So this minus 2a will be written here. Okay, so it will come minus 2a. From where did 2a come? From here. And how did this come? See the video explain. 4a cube divided by 2a square. Now how did 4a cube come? You can check again the beginning process. Now repeat the same process. Now 2a square will multiply 2a. So what will it give you? 2 into 2. The first term will come same. It will become 4a cube. The first term you have to get same. After that you will draw a line. And now the second term will multiply. So 3a into 2a. 3 into 2, 6. 6a square. And it is minus 6a square. Then 2 will multiply 2a. So it will become 2 into 2 minus 4a. Now change the sign. The lower number sign changes. So minus. This will become plus. This will become plus. This will subtract because they are same. This will also subtract. What will it give you? 8 minus 6. What will it give you? Minus 8a square and minus 6a square. Type your answer. What will it give you? We will write that number here. So this will subtract. So it will become minus 2a square. This will subtract. See, plus 4a and minus a. They will subtract. This is 1 and 4. Come plus 3a plus 2. Got it? Now this term I have to divide again. So see what has happened. Now I have to divide this term. So minus 2a square plus 3a plus 2. Now I have copied this expression here. And now I have to divide minus 2a square will divide this expression. So see what has happened. This is minus 2a square plus 3a plus 2. And here also it is 2a square plus 3a. Same numbers are there. So what do you think will come here? There is a sign here. So this is the first number. So we will follow the same rule. The first sign is minus. So I will put here minus. Okay. So this was minus 2a square. Now how will I know what will come? Let's see again. Which number I have to divide? I have to divide minus 2a square by minus 2a square. Minus 2a square by minus 2a square. What will it give you? This will divide. Answer is 1. Is it plus or minus 1? It is plus 1. So I will write plus 1 here. Okay. How did plus 1 come? I have told you just now. Check this. So whenever you are dividing, the first number in the division is important. Second numbers come later on. Now it is simple. Minus 2a square will multiply plus 1. Minus 2a square into plus 1 will give you minus 2a square. This is plus sign and this is minus sign. So minus 2a square plus 1 into 3 will become plus 3a, and plus 2 into 1 will become plus 2. So on dividing, I am getting this. Now I will subtract. When I subtract, it becomes plus. This becomes minus. This becomes minus. Now what happens? This will subtract. This will also subtract. It will give 0. 2 minus 2 will also give 0. So what is the remainder? Remainder is 0. Therefore, the answer is 4a square so what is your answer? 4a square minus 2a plus 1. This is your answer. There is no remainder in this question. Therefore, the number is a divisor and it is not leaving any remainder. Yes, good. Now, I hope you have understood. If you have doubt, you can watch this video again. Let's move on to next question. In the next question, also is the same method is there, but it is given that there is some remainder coming. So this is the question. Divide 4a, question number 4a part. Divide 4a cube by this. So let's see how do you divide. Question number 4a, it is written a plus 1 is dividing a cube minus 5a square plus 8a plus 15. Divide a plus 1 and this. So how will you divide? So first divide a cube by a. What will you get? A cube divided by a. It will be, so you can check it. A cube divided by a. It will be a3 minus 1. Answer is a square. First number, as I said, is important. Now a square into a is a cube. A square into 1 is plus a square. Now subtract. To subtract, I have to change sign. This will become minus. This will subtract now. What will you get in this? Type your answer. Minus 5a square and this. Now since the sign has changed, this is minus 5 and minus 1. Answer is minus 6a square plus 8a and plus 15. Now divide minus 6 by this. So this is a minus sign. Next step is very important. I have to divide minus 6a square. Minus 6a square divided by a. So when I divide, what will I get? The same number I have to write here. So a square will give you me minus 6a. So this number, how do you get? The first number here divided by first number here. So 6a square divided by a gives me minus 6a 2 minus 1. This is 1. So 6a will come here. Now multiply minus 6a into a is minus 6a square and minus 6a. Only two numbers are there, so two numbers will multiply this. Now change the sign. This will subtract. What do you get with this? 8 and 6 is 14a. They will add and plus 15. Got it? Wherever you have doubt, you can check the video again. You will get the answer. Now 14a divided by a. So what will I write? This is a plus sign here. So I will put plus here and write 14. So 14 into a is plus 14a. And 1 into 14 is plus 14. So 14, how did it come? Because I am dividing 14a by a. So 14a divided by a gives me how much? This 14. So this 14 I have written here. Now 14 into a. 14 into a is giving 14a. 14 into 1 is 14. Now change the sign. So change the sign means minus. This is minus. This will subtract. 14 minus 14 is 0. 15 minus 14 is 1. So my answer and remainder are here. My answer is a square minus 6a plus 14, and my remainder is 1. So my answer and remainder are here. So this is question number 4, where you have to divide, and on dividing it is leaving a remainder. Why did it leave remainder? Because it is not a divisible. That means it is not a factor. This a plus 1 is not a factor of this expression. That is why it left a remainder. A plus 1 is not dividing because it left a remainder. Okay? One more. Yes, let's see one more question. This is question number 4. Question number 4, C part. Now you can see and do side by side. The question is a4 plus a square plus 2. a4 plus a square plus 2. This is to be divided by a square minus a plus 1. a square minus a plus 1. So divide the first number a4 by a square. What will come here? How do you know? So you divide a4 by a square. What will it give you? 2 minus 4 minus 2 will give you a square. So this a square will be written here. The first number you have to do like this. After that, multiply all. A square into a square is a4. A square into a is minus a cube. 1 into a is, let me do one thing. A square into a square is a4. Minus a into a square is a. I am writing it here. Minus a cube. I am writing it separately. Then 1 into a is plus a square. Now subtract minus and plus. So why I have written a cube separately? Because it is unlike term. And how did I get a cube? When I multiply a square with a. So it gives me minus a cube. And then 1 is multiplying a square is a square. Now when I subtract, this will subtract. This will subtract, or it will not subtract? Yes, it will subtract. What is left? 2 and this. So I am writing the variable first. So a cube plus 2. I will write this first. Now a cube is to be divided by a square. A cube divided by a square. This a cube divided by a square. What will it give me? It will give me a. 3 minus 2 is a. Now this a I will write at the top. So, and this is a plus sign here. So plus a. A into a square is plus a cube. A into a is minus a square. And a into plus is plus a. Check this number. A cube plus 2 divided by this is giving me cube plus a. How? Because a square into a is a cube. 2 into a is minus. A into a is a square. So I have written minus a square. And 1 into a is a. Now subtract. Subtract means change the sign now. This sign will change. This will subtract. This cannot subtract. This cannot subtract. So now the terms will be written. Nothing is subtracting here. So I will write a square first. Now I have left with a square, then minus a, and then plus 2. What did I do? I have written first this, then this, and then this. First highest degree variable, then the lower degree, and then the constant. So first a square, then a, and then 2, and the same sign. Now a square divided by a square, what should come here? Plus 1. Now 1 will multiply a square. 1 will multiply a square. What will it give you? A square into 1. Now how did 1 come here? Again, this number, which is the first number, is to be checked with a square. So a square divided by a square gives me 1. So this one you will write at the top. Check the video replay and you will understand. Now multiply a square into 1 is a square, and a square into 1 is a square, minus a, this minus a into 1 is minus a, and 1 into 1 is 1. I have written here 2. Got it? So a square into 1 is a square, minus a into 1 is minus a, and 1 into 1 is 1. So this number, when you multiply, it will come here a square minus a plus 1. Here it was coming a square plus a square minus a plus 2, or it was plus 2. Yes. So there is an error. Let's correct the error. The remainder was this. So I have to write a square minus a plus 2 here. And now I will divide same thing. A square into 1 is a square. A square will multiply everything. So first a square into 1 is a square. Minus a into 1 is minus a. 1 into 1 is 1. Now subtract. First change the sign. This will subtract. This will subtract. 2 minus 1 is 1. So your remainder is this. Remainder is 1. And what is the answer? Answer is a square plus a plus 1. So this is very important step of division, where we have got the answer by dividing. Type your query if you have. Yes. Now if you have any doubt, I will connect you on Zoom, then you can ask your doubts. Otherwise, now I want all of you to try question number 4 B part, the parts which we have left. Question number 4 B part you can do, and come on Zoom and then explain it. If you have any doubt, you can see how I have explained. We did exercise 5.3, question number 3. Then question number 4 A part, and then we did question number 4 C part. These are important. Watch this and then tell me the problem in Zoom. Okay? So see you in the Zoom class. If you have any doubt or query, type below this video, and see you.